Come on, Kenny. Come on, come on, come on.
Got 2 minutes, Kenny.
OK, all right. OK, croquettes. No, sorry.
That pan's going to be hot.
I know. I'm on it.
Right, we're running out of time, Kenny. Really, really running out of time.
Watch out for this claret on here.
That is as rare as a kind-hearted bank manager.
You got that right, Gregg.
Plate to wipe and that's done, yeah?
Hold on. There's just a beetroot to chuck on the side.
Kenny, looks good.
Thank you, mate. I'll serve you next, fella. Thank you. What I've cooked you today is roast loin of venison with a champ croquette, some carrot puree, roasted beetroot, and a juniper sauce.
Lovely.
So, yeah, thank you very much. All right, take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm quite excited by this dish. Beetroot looks amazing, the glaze on it, and it looks like a nice champ croquette. So, yeah, the boy's done good.
The venison is cooked perfectly. For me, that sauce is as good as it gets. Packs a massive punch of flavour. Epic.
The croquette is amazing. It's really crispy on the outside, and then little fluffy pillars of mashed potato heaven. It's amazing.
That is stunning food. I have no criticism of that dish at all.
Now that is super yummy. Absolutely super yummy.
It's a generous, well-flavoured, well-cooked plate of food. Great.
Got 15 minutes to make them look the most beautiful tarts we've ever seen.
Thank you very much.
Go on.
Cheers.
Now, I love the sound of Kenny's dessert. We've got a fig and almond tart.
I presume it's going to be like a frangipane, so maybe a little bit gooey in the middle, which would be nice.
Figs, I'm personally not a fan of figs, so this has to convert me. And that fig syrup, a little bit of spice in there to bring it together into something really delicious.
Sounds good.
5 minutes, but you're well underway, right?
I'm well underway, yeah.
That looked great, Kenny.
Thank you. You need a nice chunk, because I hate it when there's not enough cream, do you?
They look fantastic. Very well done.
Thank you.
Nice.
Love it. Where's my spoon?
Hello. There we go. There's yours.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Perfect.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. So here we've got a fig and almond tart with a spiced fig syrup and a chantilly cream, and I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done.
By the way, you're main.
No.
That is spot on, isn't it? Look at their pastry skills. That's some real talent to do that.
It's just amazing. It's so sticky and gooey and sweet and... Oh, that is like a bundle of joy. That is tart heaven.
The pastry was buttery, it was perfectly short, the filling was slightly gooey but cooked through. The figs were soft. I think it's fantastic.
I think that's probably the best fig tart I've ever had. That is absolutely superb.
Nice looking tart. Look at that. Oh, yes.
I may be a while.
That's delicious. Lots and lots of spice in that syrup. Love the strong almond in the background. The pastry is nice and short and crispy. Just enough fig in there for it to be soft but still concentrated.
That is lovely, John.
I feel knackered. I've been through the wars, but I feel great, you know, I feel really good. They smelt good. I couldn't taste it yet, but hopefully they're all right.